here we are down the flying field with the next in this series from XK. So all of their planes, you get everything that you need in the box to fly it. This comes needing a bit of assembly, but not too much. The only bit of guidance I'll give you is that there are two types of screws, and the really small ones you use in the top of the braces, top and bottom, and the other screws everywhere else. But otherwise very simple to put together. You get the battery and the USB charge lead as well, a spare propeller, and the controller, which comes with instructions. You need to put AA's in here. You can change dual rates on this to get more throw on the button on the top. You've got a light control as well. You can turn the lights into different configurations. But it doesn't tell you what these buttons do. So you've got one, see the buttons on top, Trevor? You've got 6G Senior and then a 6G 3D button. I don't know if there's any difference between them. I probably need to use the 6G Senior button, Trev.
What that does.
But we'll see. We'll take it up and we'll experiment with it. Certainly, in my knowledge, 6G is when the stabilization system is turned on, and then 3D is when that is turned off, and it becomes quite sensitive on the sticks. With some models, we've found that it can be almost too sensitive and very difficult to fly. But we'll see with this A300-Beech how sensitive this is in the 3D mode. But certainly 6G mode tends to be good enough, and you can fly them around quite smoothly on that. I like on this the detail. This is a step up from the norm, I would say, from XK. You've got the scheme which is already applied. The landing gear just clips in and looks some nice scale detail on that. You've got the exhausts underneath. The prop is already painted with a nice shiny aluminium spinner, and you've even got pilots in the cockpit as well with a nice dash and instrumentation. So looks really good, I have to say. Should look good in the air. Let's fly it and see how it goes. Alright, so battery installed. That's really easy to do. You put it in and you push it right to the front in the little hole, connect it up, and then on the transmitter you turn that on and then up and down on the stick to arm, and you're ready to go. So let's see how this flies. Ready, Trev?
Yeah. Took off nice.
Yeah, really nice.
Yeah, small plane on grass, that's really good.
So presumably I'm in the 6G mode, so that is right over on the stick. It's not letting me...
Not letting you crash.
Not letting me crash, not letting me roll to inverted. Oh, now it's beeping at me. Hit the dual rate button. Oh, that's giving me more throw. So the button on top far left is dual rate, so I click that, and that's giving me more angle, but still not allowing me to roll inverted. Now if I'm going to hit the light switch coming back this time, Trev.
Okay.
Oh, you see they turned off? I think they're flashing now. Nice. So you can turn them so they're on constantly, turn them so they flash, or turn them off completely. Right, so this time coming round, I'm going to hit the 6G button. Yeah. Well, that was almost heading lock. Let's try the other one. Oh, that's okay. That's better.
What's that senior?
No, that's the... Yes, I think so. So that's giving me total control now. Whoop! He says. Well, I say that, it's still not letting me roll inverted. But it seems to be giving me even more control throw. See, certainly not letting me roll to inverted. But I like it how it flies like this, to be honest. It doesn't need to be wildly aerobatic. Right, we'll do one more close pass. And come in for a landing. It floats, tell you that. Small wheels.
Yeah.
There you go, first flight with the XK A300-Beech, and in stabilised mode flies fantastic, I have to say. We'll have to explore a bit more what you can do in 3D mode. That didn't seem to work on that flight, but the lights work quite well, look quite nice, flashing away, very visible, and it looks great in the sky because of the scale scheme. So look up the price for this, the link is in the video description and the pinned comment. Thanks for watching, thanks to Trevor on camera, we'll see you next time, bye. Brilliant.